Good morning, everyone in Cricket Merchant Land. My chai tea is just about run out. It's good stuff too, but let's get down to business here. More GM products, fresh off the. We can't really say fresh off the boat because it's delivered. But I guess it probably came somehow, but it's here, delivered from GM to Cricket Merchant headquarters here. Unveiling 2020 products. Let's open this very carefully with a very small blade. I'm not going to damage any of these cricket bats. Let's see what's in here. Always cut away from you so you don't stab yourself in the leg. That's what my mother always told me. Here we go. Mind you, my mother was good with the blade. Here we go. Dun, dun, dun. Box number 3. Hey, what do we have here? New GM bats. Look at this. Awesome. This is a box full of goodness. What do we have here? We have GM Siren 909. Let's make the siren noise. There we go. We have the 808. A nice feel to these bats. Again, stay tuned to Cricket Merchant, all the various media platforms, and you'll get to see some of the individual products themselves in detail as we get into the details, I guess. But let's unveil some more here. Some Noir signature. I say that with a good French accent, don't I? Noir. These will face up, second row face up. We've got to put them back in the box after this. We've got to make sure we can pack them correctly. Noir 808. And another Noir 808. These are good looking bats. Look at this. Let's have a quick look at some of these real quick. Look at the graining on that one. Beautiful. I'll make sure there's no light refraction because of all that. What do we have here? Oh, look at that. Noir 909. Carefully. Another 909. Noir Original. Everything's coming in pairs, so there's another Noir Original. Careful. What else do we have here? Look at these. Oh, diamond. Used to be diamonds were a girl's best friend, but now look at these. These could be your best friend. Have a look at these bats. Beautiful.
So this is the Ben Stokes series. Continued in 2020.
All right, Ben Stokes.
The primary driver of GM cricket bat business.
And Ben Stokes is a legend already. Bit of controversy with Ben Stokes, but you know, you can't have a great player without a bit of controversy once in a while. Just look at Shane Warne.
GM benefited out of that. He was New Balance before.
909. Most controversial thing about Ben Stokes, he was born in New Zealand. That's just evil. Yeah. That's right. Sorry to any New Zealanders watching out there, but you're still in the World Cup rugby and my Australian team aren't. Here we go, diamond. Look at that. Beautiful looking bat. This one. Let's have a quick look at this one. Real quick. Look at the graining on that bat. Beautiful looking stuff. Again, stay tuned to the to Cricket Merchant down the road here in the not too distant future. We will have some individual videos on some of these bats. We'll give you some of the details and all the goodies that they come with, plus there's other stuff as well. Again, it's Cricket Merchant. Real quick, 2019 stuff is on sale on clearance, so come to the website right now, have a look around, and remember, with any bat you buy from Cricket Merchant, knocking is half price. Knocking unto itself. You send any bat to Cricket Merchant, they'll knock it for you for $75. If you buy the bat here at Cricket Merchant, you get it knocked and ready to rock for half price, $38. A knock and rock, ready for your 2020 season.